In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off auto answer calls on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap at Touch. Here, scroll down for a bit and tap on Call Audio Routing. And here, just tap on Auto Answer Calls. There you can enable or disable that option, and if that option is enabled, here down below you can select the duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. By default it's 3 seconds, but you can tap on plus sign or minus sign to set the time as you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.